Good afternoon, traders. It is, excuse me, it's Friday, November 29th, 2019, and the stock market is closed. Hey, today was a short day. The trading stopped 3 hours before the close. That's what, about 1 p.m. New York time. And I had expected absolutely nothing was going to happen today. Of course, we've been having spectacular trading lately. And quite unbelievable. You know, we had a couple $1,000s in positive open trade yesterday. I figured, oh, we'll get out. I don't care how we get out. I just want to get out of it and be done with November, which has been a spectacular month with our total profits over $100,000. Well, today we did get out of those. We got out with $1,500, which is fine. That's what I would have expected. The thing is, we carried the big trade, and we are, and I'll show you that in a second, and we have 10 positions, 6 positive, 4 negative, and we're carrying positive over $16,000 over the weekend going into December, next Monday. Unbelievable. I mean, it just keeps pouring in. So obviously that makes me pretty happy. The Dow took a little breather today, pulled back 113 points. You can see it here. No big deal. But the pullback in the Dow certainly didn't affect at all what we were doing. Anyway, I will show you 3 of our trades here. This first one is Aurinia Pharmaceuticals, and we bought this right at the beginning of the second hour. It just kept going very nicely there. We're holding $1,600 positive in Aurinia Pharmaceuticals. Next one we got, well, let's see here. Where am I? I'm on the wrong page. Here we go. This is JNUG, which is a gold mining bull. And of course, gold doesn't have anything to do with the Dow, and that's why one of the reasons anyway, our fortunes weren't tied up with the Dow Jones Industrial Average. I must say that. Anyway, this is the gold mining bull JNUG. We bought that. Looks like the beginning of the second hour, and that kept going. Very similar pattern actually to Aurinia Pharmaceuticals, even though the two are totally unrelated. And we have $2,000 in open trade equity in the gold mining bull. But now here's the big one. Here's the thing that just blew the stack on our equity. This is Degaz, Inverse Natural Gas. Back on Monday, we bought that on this gap here. And then on Tuesday, it gaps up again, so strong that we hold it. Going into Wednesday, we get out there on Wednesday with over $4,000 in profit, and then we get re-entered the trade on Wednesday. And then we hold that over the Thanksgiving holiday, and this morning, this huge gap again in our favor, and it keeps going. So, I mean, we're holding Degaz now over the weekend with over $11,000 in open trade equity. So you add these two trades together. Yeah, I know we're not out of this one yet, but if you add the two trades together, we got $15,000 in Degaz. That's just unbelievable, folks. Absolutely unbelievable. So after all these profits we've taken in, I'm still carrying $16,000 in positive open equity over this weekend and into December. So it's been a great week, a great month, and I will be back here on Monday trading as usual.